In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make free PayPal money by just copying videos and pasting it on another site. It's really simple. Now, one thing you guys need to know before I start the video is that I do not waste your time on this channel. I just go straight to the point, right? I don't waste your time by showing you unnecessary steps. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go over to YouTube and then click on sign in. Now, once you sign in, make sure you create a new account, right? But if you don't have the time to create a new account, then the next thing you need to do is just go over to your incognito mode on your browser. And then once you find incognito mode, you just click on YouTube and then, you get this fresh page. Now, the reason why we're creating a new account or signing in with incognito mode is because you want your YouTube to be fresh, right? So it could give you the fresh background and everything, no search history, blah blah, stuff like that. So once you're here, the next thing you want to do is click on gaming, as you guys can see. So we're going to click on gaming, and once you click on gaming, you're going to have this page open up. Now, once you're in the gaming page, we want to look for a good niche, right? Something that's good, like a good video niche, or if that makes sense to you, like something that's popular. Yeah. So as you guys can see, we're going to pick Minecraft because it has crazy amount of views. As you can see, 79 million views, 1.2 million views in 6 days, 1.4 million views, 1.2 million views. As you guys can see, it has a lot of views. So we're going to pick Minecraft as our niche. So we are just going to copy this video's link. As you guys can see, just follow the steps and you're going to see how we can make money with this. So you copy this video's link, and then what you want to do next is go over to the site called 7r6.com. Now, as you guys can see, this is where the magic is going to take place, right? It says shorten URLs and earn money. Like, it's legit, it works. So what this does is it lets you shorten the video's URL, and basically when someone clicks on it, you make money. It's that simple. So what you want to do is create an account here. I'm not going to go through all the process of creating an account. Like I told you guys, I do not waste your time by showing you unnecessary steps. So you just have to click on get started now for free. I've done that before. So we are going to just go to the dashboard, because once you finish creating your account, you're going to come directly on the dashboard. So once you're here on the dashboard, the next thing you want to do is click on add URL here. Now make sure you add the URL that we copied from this video, right? Just find any popular video on the Minecraft niche, and then we paste it on this site's URL tab or whatever it's called, right? So we're going to paste the video's URL here, and once you paste it, it's gonna say name the video, right? I'm just gonna click M. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't matter. So just click on shorten, and once you click on shorten, we're just gonna wait for it to do its magic. Oh, it says the name already exists. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna type in any random name because it says that one already exists. Perfect. As you guys can see, this is our URL, right? This is straight to the point. Now, what you want to do, this is where the second magic happens from. What you want to do is click on copy. Once you copy your link, now make sure you go over to steamcommunity.com. As you guys can see, this is the place where we are going to be posting our video link that we just copied. Now, all you have to do is go over here and then maybe search for what's it called, Minecraft, because obviously that's the niche that we chose, right? So we're just going to search for Minecraft, something related to Minecraft. Make sure you log into your Steam account, by the way, once you're doing this. So once you search for Minecraft, you guys can see it says please bring original Minecraft blah 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 to Steam. It's telling you to post original videos, but it doesn't mean anything because they can't find out that you're not the owner of the video. So what you want to do is, as you guys can see, it says title. So you find a catchy title, you put it there, you paste your video link, and then you just post it to the Steam community. And now keep in mind that this is a very active place, so a lot of people are going to be here. So let me give you guys an example, right? Let's say we come over to YouTube, and then let's say This guy said, I survived 4,700 days in hardcore Minecraft. This is a video that everybody wants to watch that's involved in Minecraft, right? All you have to do is just copy this video link, go over to your shortening site, and then you come here, you paste it, you shorten the link, give it a stupid name, it doesn't really matter. Then you copy this link that it gives you, you come over to Steam community, and then you post a title saying like, you know, so like this amount of kills, blah blah blah. It just seems like you did it yourself. So basically people are gonna want to watch that video, that's for sure. And once they click the link that you're gonna put here, once they click the link, you are gonna be making money. Now this is another secret site that I want to show you guys, which is called Mood.us. Now basically this site is filled with a lot of people that are just discussing about games, right? So all you want to do in this site is just sign up and then just post just like you did on Steam community, and you're gonna be meeting new people that are gonna be clicking your link, and you're gonna be making big money in no time. Now here's the catch coming from this. Obviously you're gonna be like, oh, why don't people do this and make millions? It's very, very, very simple. But yeah, it's also kind of difficult, because the hard part is you need to make the videos, like the post. You need to make them consistently. You need to post every single time just to have your post rank above other people's posts, and then you can get clicks. So it's technically kind of easy. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on another one.